Good morning. So this is part 2 of what we were talking about yesterday, the daisy. So we said that there's 5 parts. And look, most problems with everybody happens in communication. And what you need to know is that whether you want to or you need to, you have expectations of other people. And the best thing would be not to have expectations. Unfortunately, we're going to. And others have expectations of us. And when you hit a pinch point where there's a decision of to end a relationship, or if you want to go on, this tool will start to help the healing or the amends process. So the first petal of the daisy is, this is what you and I both know about any situation. So if you want to get back into someone's good graces and you've had an argument, whatever, when you start this communication process again, it would be wise to state openly and plainly, this is what it is. I acknowledge whatever I've done, and I see that this is where what you and I both know and acknowledge and accept as the reality of our situation, our communication, and our relationship. At the end of these parts, I'm going to go through a whole example, but for right now, I'd grab a piece of paper. And the 2 words that I use to do this is I understand or I know. If I did you wrong, I know I did something wrong. If I know I hurt your feelings, I understand that I hurt your feelings. Use these words because they tell the other person that I recognize what's going on. This is the first part, and it's important. So write it down. We can clean it up later, but we want to get it down. We'll call it puke on paper, the rough draft. All right, guys, wait for part 3.